Hostaway from sign up to synced in 90 seconds. Want your Hostaway properties live on lake.com without the hassle of copy and pasting? Well, let's connect these two platforms today and get you more bookings fast. First, here's why it's totally worth it. Manage everything right from Hostaway, the system that you already use every day. Your listings, calendar, and reservations, they're going to be synced automatically so you don't have to worry about double bookings. And with lake.com, your properties reach a massive outdoor traveler audience, families and friends who are looking to book their next adventure travel. And they're browsing more than 10,000 destinations, centered around 1,400 lakes and about 4,000 national and state parks. And when you do get a booking, you're going to get paid fast. With lake.com, your payout lands directly into your bank account after the guest's first night stay, thanks to our secure integration with Stripe. And finally, the best part, you get to deliver a smooth 5-star guest experience from booking to checkout. Okay, let's get into it. Here's how to connect. First, log into lake.com. You can sign up for free if you don't already have an account. Next, make sure that you're in the host view. So just hover over that Me menu in the top corner and make sure that it says hosts. If not, you can just simply toggle it on. Now, in that same menu, click integrations and then scroll down until you see Hostaway, then just click connect. Next up, enter your Hostaway API key. You probably don't have that on hand, so I'm going to show you how to get it. In a new tab, log into Hostaway. You go to the settings and then Hostaway API. Click create to generate a new API key and you can call it lake.com. Copy that key to your clipboard. And now we're going to head back to lake.com where you can paste in your account ID, that's a series of numbers, and your API key into the fields provided. Then click confirm. That's it, you're connected. Now you get to check your listings on Lake to verify everything's synced up correctly. Now, for the first time, it's probably going to take a few minutes, and depending if you have 100 properties or more, it might take maybe 20, 30 minutes, even up to an hour. After the first time you import, calendar availability and pricing changes sync about every 5 minutes. So you'll be always up to date with dynamic pricing or changes in your pricing strategy. That's going to be reflected on lake.com. So what that means is that you're going to be well optimized for seasonality or changes to your pricing strategy, especially when a special event is going to be coming to town. With Lake and Hostaway, you'll always stay synced, save time, and reach more guests who are looking for that perfect on-the-water stay. Sync your properties today and put them in front of families who are planning their next great outdoor adventure.